Audio Jungle.
The new Mercedes-Benz C-Class enters production at the company's plant in Bremen. The best-selling model of the premium car maker will also roll out assembly plants in China and South Africa. Mercedes-Benz using a new body shop system for the first time in Bremen. Unlike in a traditional body shop, where the manufacturer builds the individual parts in line, the new body shop includes various production cells. Engineers refer to these cells as cubes. And all of these cubes are fully networked with each other. The carmaker is building the C-Class on the same line as the GLC Coupe and the electric EQC crossovers. The manufacturing procedure will benefit from the new Techline Systems technology modeled on Factory 56 in Sindelfingen. The system thus simplifies and accelerates conversion work. In its production center in Bremen, Mercedes is using the principle of digital shop floor management in all production areas. This allows the permanent tracking of all production data in real time. With the production of the new C-Class, Mercedes-Benz is working on reducing emissions. With the production of the new C-Class, Mercedes-Benz is also working on reducing emissions during production. The premium car maker is planning a CO2 neutral production starting 2022. Roofs with green areas, such as the total of 40,000 square meters at the new body shop building, will contribute to compensation for the sealed floor areas. They will also secure an improved temperature control inside the structure. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.